The nose flute. Breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video we are going to see the nose flute. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our ribcage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm raises and the ribcage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The rib cage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that is where the diaphragm is located. The thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicle and the rest of the fingers the floating ribs. When we breathe, and with the help of the diaphragm, the floating ribs and the rib cage expands. With these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. If we don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our instrument. The nose flute. It's a unique wind instrument that is played with the nose. The mouth is used as a sound box. Practicing with this instrument, we will obtain many benefits as musicians of wind instruments and singers, since its use develops the correct placement of the mouth to obtain a good quality of sound. Advantages of using the nose flute. Number 1. Sound improvement. Once we get the nose flute to sound, let's imitate the internal position of the mouth when playing with our instrument. The nose flute forces us to vocalize its note. That's very positive to focus and improve our sound. Number 2. The continued use of the nose flute helps us to better perceive the air velocity that we are using when playing. And later, we can transfer this feeling by playing with our instrument. Number 3. We have in mind that any breathing exercise improves our breathing capacity through the accomplishment of complete inhalations and exhalations. Number 4. Thanks to the work with the nose flute, we will develop our auditory acuity. This is achieved by playing melodies with this breathing device, looking at the height of all the sounds produced. It may help if we do it with a tuner. We will do some examples playing the nose flute. We exhale the air through the nose and the device will redirect the air inside our mouth, which functions as a sound box. Afterwards, we are going to play some melodies. in order to increase our lung capacity and strengthen the air column, we can play our study with the help of a tuner and a metronome. We will perform full inhalations and exhalations with the nose flute. I recommend you to do these exercises and those of the rest of the series of videos of breathing instruments during the routines of breathing exercises. Also, before the study with your instrument, and we can control the changes that will be reflected in our domain of the air column, lung capacity, and the sound produced with our instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog, and many more things for you to achieve your goal. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of Music Bayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.